Hello, Professor. My name is Denise Rojas. Today I will establish my knowledge for two of the six general education competencies, which are reading fluency and information literacy. Reading fluency involves the ability to read and understand primary and secondary sources. Information literacy involves the ability to identify, retrieve, evaluate, organize, cite properly, and use a wide range of resources, including print, graphic, and electronic, for independent learning and practical problem solving. For this, I will be using a research paper from my experimental psychology class. This will prove my knowledge in informational literacy. In this research paper that I wrote for my experimental psychology class, I talk about juvenile delinquency and the relationship with learning disabilities in young adults. For this research paper, I had to write an abstract that will narrate basically what the whole paper is about. In my abstract read, juvenile delinquency in the United States is increasing in incidency, and children are becoming involved in delinquent activity at a much younger age. Learning disabilities have been associated with juvenile delinquency. Learning disabled children are labeled by teachers and peers as different, which might alienate them from normal society. If children reject social institutions, they might seek alternative, frequently delinquent activities. Learning disability children must be identified so that programs which maximize the disability while emphasizing the children's strength can be instituted. Since adjustable delinquents of normal intelligence show a significant degree of academic underachievement, correlational problems must recognize the probability of learning disability. Throughout this research paper, I demonstrate the ability to demonstrate the use of different sources. For example, one of the research that I did to demonstrate this paper was how delinquent behavior is related to social-economic factors. One of the factors related to learning disability is the socio-economic factors that adolescents face while they're in school. Juvenile delinquency areas are so highly correlated with poverty and with low income. These areas is located in our larger cities. They are bad districts with bad housing. They are often areas of overcrowding and are deficient in recreational facilities. According to research, areas with low income are not only related with juvenile delinquencies, but also with social problems such as tuberculosis, mental disorders, and infant mortality. Poverty is only number one of a number of factors that increase juvenile delinquency. This is corroborated not only by statistics, but by life histories of juvenile delinquency. Among these factors, other factors are bad housing, broken homes, mothers working, parental negligence, rejection, gangs, delinquent and criminal traditions. There is procedures in which adolescents who are involved in this type of behavior goes through: arrested by police, appearance in juvenile court, probation, new offenses, commitment to the parental school, or more likely to stay in reformatory. To further demonstrate my abilities in finding and using my sources for my research paper, I have attached a screenshot of the sources I utilized in my research paper. This is called reference, and they are organized in APA styles, and as you can see in chronological